Hello and welcome back to Hellcell Weekly. In this week's episode, we'll be covering the ongoing eruption of Mount Etna in Sicily and the disruption it has caused across the region. A rare series of astronomical events that brought a solar eclipse, a planetary alignment, and a Perseid meteor show to skies around the world, a remarkable discovery by astronomers of a possible new kind of cosmic object known as a black hole star, and so much more. So, without further ado, let's get started on this week's headlines. Mount Etna, one of Europe's most active volcanoes, has entered another intense phase of activity, sending lava and volcanic ash across parts of Sicily and causing major disruption to air travel. The current episode of activity began on the 6th of August when Etna's origin crater began producing increasingly strong tectonic activity. Over the following days, the eruption developed into a combination of lava fountains, ash emissions, and gas leaks. The eruption has continued for more than a week, making this one of Etna's longer episodes of activity in recent decades. The most immediate effects have been felt at Catania Airport, one of Sicily's main connections to the rest of Europe. Volcanic ash has repeatedly spread into airspace around the airport, forcing authorities to suspend incoming flights and limit other operations. Hundreds of flights have been cancelled, delayed, and redirected, affecting thousands of passengers traveling through Sicily during the busy summer holiday season. The ash and salt left over from the eruption has also affected air quality and air travel in mainland Italy, Malta, and even parts of Libya. August 12 was a monumental day for astronomy lovers, as three major astronomical events took place within roughly 24 hours of each other. The first of these was planetary alignment visible during the early morning of August 12. Six planets, Mercury, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, appeared across the eastern skyline before sunrise in a neat line. A few hours later, a total solar eclipse visible across most of the northern hemisphere took place, turning the daytime into a shadowy crimson show for a couple of minutes in parts of Spain. That same night, the Perseid meteor shower reached its annual peak with over 100 meteors whizzing by every hour. The US is experiencing an exceptionally severe wildfire season, with thousands of firefighters continuing to battle fires across the western part of the country. Following last week, more than 46,500 wildfires are recorded across the United States, burning around 6.4 million acres of land, primarily in the West Coast across California, Oregon, Washington, Utah, and Montana. Due to the unexpected conditions created by the wildfires and the sudden surge, 6 firefighters have lost their lives according to federal reports. Fire behavior has been made more difficult to predict by high temperatures, dry vegetation, and rapidly changing conditions, leaving rescue crews with little time to escape when fires suddenly change direction or speed. Astronomers have also announced the discovery of a possible new kind of cosmic object known as a black hole star. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers identified an object later named MOMB-HSRX-1. Scientists believe it may consist of rapidly growing black holes surrounded by an enormous cloud of dense gas, causing the object to appear more like a giant star. The discovery is expected to shed a deeper light on the creation of black holes and uncover the mystery behind the red dots previously observed by Webb. However, researchers say more observations are needed to understand exactly how this unusual object from evolved. And with that, we will wrap up this week's headlines. We have discussed the latest astronomical events, the wildfires ravaging across the west coast of the US, and the recent eruption of Mount Etna. Thank you for tuning into Hellcell Weekly. We'll be back next week at the same time with more updates from all around the world. Until then, stay informed and take care.